Do you want to know how to do affiliate marketing without a website or a blog? In today's episode, I want to explain my top 4 tips to earn money with affiliate marketing without needing any type of website. So to get the details, listen on. This is episode number 236. Alright, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, hit the bell icon as well. So today we are talking about how to do affiliate marketing without a website. I'm going to show you my 4 ways that have been proven successful, at least for me, this year. So let's get right into it. The first way that I like to do affiliate marketing is with TikTok. So TikTok is an excellent social media platform that you could use to generate affiliate sales. Now, why TikTok? Because with TikTok, what I am noticing is that you can very easily get a lot of views on your videos, and you can actually get a lot of email signups and people actually clicking on your link. So the way I do it is for my TikTok, I basically talk about different marketing software, and I have a link on my profile that links to a lead magnet, which is a spreadsheet of my top favorite marketing resources. And I basically am collecting emails, right? But you don't necessarily need to take people to a lead magnet on TikTok. What you could do is basically just add your affiliate link on your profile. So you can talk about whatever product it is you want to promote, and then just have a link on your profile where people can click on it and then, make the purchase. So TikTok, again, is a really good platform where you could get a lot of views and actually have people click onto your link. Because compared to Instagram, for example, I am telling you, you will not get as many clicks on your link in bio compared to TikTok. So TikTok is a really great way to get traffic and to reach a lot of people. And the next way to do affiliate marketing without a website or a blog is YouTube. So YouTube is one of my favorite ways, not because I get the most views, but because it's probably one of the most profitable, at least for me. So you can create YouTube videos educating people about whatever software you are an affiliate for, and in the description you can add your affiliate link. All right, so in one of my recent YouTube videos, I actually have 3 links that I add to my latest YouTube video, and one of them is to enroll in a free 5-day affiliate blogging course, which is actually a 5-day course that I built, and it teaches people how to build an affiliate blog from scratch. And in that email, not only am I capturing those emails, but I'm actually offering different affiliate products that they can opt in for. So in my previous videos as well, I talk a lot about different marketing software, and I have been getting a lot of reoccurring commissions from those videos. So as long as you talk about whatever software it is you are promoting in a really nice, concise way that actually provides value, people will click on your affiliate link and then purchase. So definitely try out YouTube. And then the third way you can do affiliate marketing without a website is email. So I kind of mentioned it in my first 2 ways, but email is a great way. So I always recommend everyone, if they're going to do affiliate marketing, you need to start building an email list. I use MailerLite as my email marketing platform. It's free, and the paid versions are actually way more affordable than ConvertKit or MailChimp. And the UI, the UX for MailerLite is actually pretty good. So I like to collect email addresses and then actually educate people via email and then add affiliate links in my email. All right. So this is something that has been tried and true for not only me, but for many other affiliates. So start growing your email list so you can start emailing them. And my fourth one, which this was actually the first way I earned affiliate commissions, and it's actually really good. And you don't really need to do anything, because the way to do affiliate marketing without a website is to promote them with your clients. Okay, so for me, I have various SEO clients, and one of the recommendations or requirements that I have if they want to work with me is that they need to subscribe to different software. Okay, and I need to use this software to actually do the work, right? To do the SEO work. And one of the softwares that I use for all of my clients is actually SEMrush. So SEMrush is an SEO tool, and I use it really for basically all of my SEO clients. And I ask them to subscribe to SEMrush, and I actually give them my affiliate link, and they click on it and then subscribe, and then we begin the SEO engagement. And I know since back in 2017, I actually have been still getting reoccurring commissions since 2017 because I gave my client my affiliate link, and they've been paying for the subscription since all of these years, and I made over $2,000 just from that one client because they used my affiliate link to subscribe to SEMrush. So this is a really, really easy way, probably the easiest way to earn affiliate commissions is by just having your clients subscribe to the tools that you already need to help them with your projects. So these are my 4 ways to earn affiliate commissions. If I were to rank them, I would say clients is the first one if you have clients. The second one is TikTok, just because it's so easy to get views and to have people click on your affiliate link. And then the next one is YouTube, and then with email. My most profitable is YouTube and also with clients. So those are my 4 recommendations. So if you like this video, give this a thumbs up. And also, before I actually let you go, all of these 4 ways, especially the 3, right? Like TikTok, YouTube, email, you actually need to capture leads, right? You need leads so you can send them email marketing. And the way you capture emails is through a landing page and creating how do you call it? You need to capture emails, you need a lead magnet, right? And to do that, you need to figure out what your audience wants. So I actually want to invite you to a free 5-day lead challenge. This is by Clickfunnels, and I actually took this last year, and they basically take you by the hand on how to basically create a lead magnet and create a landing page for it, and driving traffic to the landing page to start collecting those emails, to start collecting those leads. Now, once you have those leads, you can then send them email communication with your affiliate links. So it really all comes down to generating leads for your business so you can do affiliate marketing. So if you want to enroll in this 5-day lead challenge, it's completely free. Just go to thecalmmarketer.co/5-day lead challenge, dashes in between, thecalmmarketer.co/5-day lead challenge. Enroll in it, and it's jam-packed with really good information, and it's basically almost like a full-time job those 5 days, because they really take you by the hand, and you basically need to do assignments every single day. Try it out, And yeah, so for all of my podcast listeners, go to ratethispodcast.com/the calm marketer to leave me a rating and review. Like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. So with that said, I will speak to you all in the next episode.